Hello, everyone. My name is Sandhya Avasthi. I'm from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So today I'm going to discuss about various topics that I'm going to cover in my upcoming lecture series. So in the series that I have prepared, they are from the topic object-oriented programming with Java. And mainly in this series, there are total 8 lectures that I'm going to prepare and present before you, and that will be covering different new features. And in this video, I'm going to give you an idea what are the topics that I'm going to cover in my different videos that will be coming. Like in my first video, I'm going to cover how to use functional interface, how to define lambda expression, what are their advantages and different comparisons. Then in the following video, number 2, I'm going to cover static method, encoding, decoding, base 64 encoding and decoding mainly. Then method references and stream API, how we can use method references, what are their purpose, what are the purpose of stream API, what are the various methods in it that we use to solve different problems. Then in the next video, I'm going to cover default methods and the use of for each method. And after that, I'm going to present a video on try with resources, how we can use various resources in exception handling. And then also in the same video, I'm going to cover type annotation. Then the lecture video will be covering repeating annotations, how we can use with it various example Java code. Then Java module systems, how to use it, what are the different ways to do it, what are the advantages. These are I'm going to cover in it. Then diamond syntax with inner anonymous classes, their purposes, how to work with them and how to use them. Then local variable type inferencing, what are their purposes, how to write a program, use of switch expressions, what are the common issues, then the use of yield keyword. And then in the final video, I'm going to cover how to use text blocks, how to use records, their purpose, their advantages, different use cases, and also the use of seal classes and their use cases. So these are different topics that will be basically covered in Java new system. And in this overview video, I'm just trying to tell you, giving you idea that in my upcoming videos, what are the various topics that I'll be taking one by one. So most of the content, they will be taken from Java, the complete reference by Herbershit, and programming in Java by Bala Gursaming. There are various web resources that I have referred also, mostly the tutorials that are available on all Oracle, professional Oracle platforms, and different exercises also I'm referring to. So, let's thank you so much for watching this video, and do watch my next video that will be covering functional interfaces.